Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something really cool to show you guys. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you all for your interaction with this channel, liking and subscribing, and posting those comments in the comment section below. I really do appreciate that, whether you like these watches or whether you hate them. I really do love to see your comments in the comment section. So if you do have any questions or anything you want to say about any of these watches, just put that in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And I also have Dave the Shoe Man. If you're interested in men's fashion and you want to check out budget-friendly shoes and footwear, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, and you guys can take a look at some of those videos and maybe become a subscriber of both channels. That would be definitely appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into this watch and check out what we have today. Today we have a watch from the company Diesel. This is a company I've been wanting to check out. I've seen them on Amazon quite a few times, and I finally just said, you know what the heck, I'm gonna buy one of these watches and check it out. This one was of particular interest to me because obviously I was a career paramedic, and this watch had the overtones of a paramedic style EMT watch. So I am looking forward to checking this thing out. I have not opened up the box itself. I did just take it out of the package about a minute ago when it came in. So I'm going to open this thing up on camera so you guys can get my first impression of this watch and see if it's actually worth what the cost is. So here we go. Okay, so it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I did not expect it to be this size. That's my first impression of it. This is very, very large, even in comparison to Invicta, which is really big watches, but this thing is, I think, even bigger than the Invicta. It's a very, very large watch. So let's get this plastic off the top here. Okay, so now this watch was available in many different colors, and this one also had the blue. This is the I believe this is the gray, and I don't know if it was a smoked gray or something like that. But anyway, this one is the middle of the road design. They did have, like I said, they have a very beautiful paramedic looking one with the blue, and that one would actually go very, very nicely with a paramedic uniform or a police uniform. They also have red. This watch is available in a lot of different colors. I mean, I think they have maybe like 10 or 15 different color and band combinations. There was so many different color combinations on there. You could get the red, the blue, this color. I think they had an all black. So if you want to check out all those different color combinations, click on that affiliate link that I'm going to post below in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase any of these watches using that affiliate link, it doesn't cost you any more to do it, but it does send a small commission over to me, and that is very much appreciated. But anyway, guys, this is a very nice EMT firefighter. One of these watches even came, I think, the silver one actually came with a set of dog tags to go with it. I don't know what the idea behind that was, but maybe it's just dog tags with like the company logo. I'm not sure, but this is the one I picked up because I just kind of wanted something middle of the road for this video. But honestly, guys, I think I'm you know, after seeing this, I'll probably end up getting the blue one, just because it is more paramedic looking. But this is a really nice quality watch, it seems like. Let's take a look at it and see what it's got. I mean, it's got the working subdials. Everything works great on it. It is a sports chronograph. This is the Diesel Mega Chief DZ4479. Like I said, many different colors to choose from. Like, you can really pick any color you want with this thing. I think they had in gold, silver, blue, red, everything. It does have, it looks like it is designed with a military, firefighter, EMT, paramedic type look to go with it, and it's got that engraved plaque on the top that says "Only the Brave," which I thought was really, really cool. But yes, chronograph dial. This one's the gunmetal stainless. Very, very nice looking watch. all around. It does have the date format, quartz movement for dependable timekeeping, and it does have the mineral crystal for extra scratch resistance. Like I said, stopwatch. And 100 meters of water resistance. And also it says, 100 meters of water resistance, but it also says that it's safe for diving up to 100 meters. So you wouldn't have to worry about taking this thing and diving in shallow dive, anything under 100 meters. It does boast that water resistance. So really nice watch, very, very big. You'd have to have a large wrist in order to make this one work. It does have the laser etched logo on the back. It's pretty heavy. I mean, it's a hefty watch, guys. So this is something, like I said, you got to have a really big wrist to pull it off. But let's see, what does the back say about the water resistance? It says water resistant 10 bar, but the website states it's water resistant 10 bar and diving at 100 meters. So very nice watch. Let me put this thing on. I mean, this thing is a really big watch. This thing has a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $270, and you're not even going to believe what the price is on this watch. Right now, you can head on over to Amazon and pick this thing up for right around $140. So if you are interested in this watch, I would definitely recommend heading on over and picking it up for that price, because you never know when these prices are going to change. This is a fairly large watch, really, really nice looking, especially, like I said, if you're in the public service field, EMT, paramedic, firefighter, police officer, this is going to look great with your uniform, especially if you get that blue one or even the red one for the firefighter uniforms. Really nice watch, very hefty, very heavy duty. It's got really good quality on this thing. The band is very, very tight. Very tight band. Everything seems to be really, really tight on it. It's got a really big gold crown on this thing. Like I said before, date format in between there. You got the date. You got the chronograph dial on this thing in gunmetal stainless steel. Really, really nice watch all around. So once again, I will be posting an affiliate link to this in the description below. It is the Diesel Mega Chief DZ4479 with many different colors to choose from, designed with a military styling for EMT, paramedic, police, firefighter look, and it does have the chronograph dial with the gunmetal stainless, mineral crystal for extra scratch resistance, and the date format quartz for dependable timekeeping. I think it's a really nice watch. It's a very heavy duty, hefty watch that looks really, really nice and would provide really good accent to any of the public service uniforms. So with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And I also have Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. So if you do like men's fashion and you want to check out some shoe reviews, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man, where you can subscribe on that channel as well. So I'm Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video, unless you're over on the other side. Then I'll see you guys all in the next shoe review video. You guys all have a great day, and I will see you next time.